Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel Fishing with Nordby. It is early. It's pitch black outside and we are ready to roll. We're gonna go to the lake, we're gonna do some bass fishing, get out on Guntersville, do some fishing out deep. I'm excited. We got the deck rigged up, a bunch of rods, meeting a couple buds at the lake, and we're gonna try to catch some today. It's gonna be a fun day. We'll probably eat some lunch on the lake, relax, have a good time. But you know me, we can't relax too much. We jump around spot to spot to spot to spot till we find the fish. Super excited. We got a boy and a girl on the way. What a blessing. It's so exciting. Fraternal twins. So they're due in November, mid-November. It's coming quick. It's exciting. We're preparing. We got the garage all decked out. We moved a bunch of stuff around in here, took it out of the house. But anyways, hope you enjoyed that news. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let's roll. Let's go catch some fish today. It's gonna be fun. Before we jump into fishing today, I want to show you the Deep Dive app real quick. It might help you catch more fish on your lake. So we're gonna open it up here. It tells you the lake level. It tells you the current flow if you live on a river system like here in Guntersville. It's 13,000 cubic feet a second. The lake level's over a foot low. Gives me top bait recommendations, give me best areas to fish. It says mid-lake to main river. You can open all these up and read more on it and check the map out more, as well as bait recommendations. Tournament patterns map. It says a jig on the ledges. We might have to throw a jig today, or a big worm or a Carolina rig. It shows me a water clarity estimate and an inflow points map where creeks and water comes into the lake. So check out the Deep Dive app. Let's go catch some fish. All right, stop number one of the morning. It's beautiful out. All right, got James and Matthew with us. You ready?
Ready.
What you putting on?
Oh, I'll drag that big worm out just take her out of the way.
All right. That sun looks sweet.
That's one beautiful, all that fog rolling off.
Yeah. Next cast, kind of go more towards the buoy. Oh, get him. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's a good one. You want the net or you want to flip him? How big is he?
Doesn't matter.
I didn't see him. You can flip him. Heck yeah. Nice, man. There you go. First cast. 3-pounder. That's awesome. Oh, you're fine. Yeah, hold him up. That camera's rolling. Look at that one, guys. There's one. Carolina rig. It's going up. All right. Oh, stay down, buddy. Yeah.
There you go.
Sure, I'll take the net on here. Yep, that's a good one. Thank you. There we go. That's oh, yeah.
Man, way to go.
All right, thank you. There you go, guys. Right in the sunrise. Biggin, 2 in a row. All right. See you, buddy. A lot of crappie on that stump. We're gonna have to hit that one in the winter time. That first pass we graphed it, we didn't see any, and then turned around and graphed it 30 feet on the other side, and bam, 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 they lit up. That thump gel. You guys can get 10% off code THUMP23, thumpgel.com. Let's go.
When you go places and stay, how tough is it to find a place to like charge your batteries and stuff?
It's not too bad. Yeah, usually there's a plug-in. If we rent an Airbnb, we'll message them and make sure they can accommodate the parking and stuff before we book it. There's one. Oh. Yep. This one? All right. Not a giant, but we'll take it. He hit it, and I didn't know if he had it. Little guy. There it is. All right, babies. Carolina rig catching babies. So many unders. A lot of whites. Looks like the most is angling from here.
I think I've got you good.
Oh. Babies. Looks like the most fish is angling from here to the end of the dock over there. Well, a little bigger than the last couple. Wow. That's awesome. Hey, drop shot fish. He's a little bigger than the last few. Oh yeah. Stay down, buddy. Well, maybe. He's coming in real easy now. Ooh. Okay.
Got a little?
Okay. Oh yeah. Thank you. Sweet. I'm right on the top of the mouth. Another one. Thanks for the net. There we go.
Did you catch many smallmouth?
Nope. Nope. See, buddy. Cast just to the left of me. Guess they don't want it. Oh, look at them all follow you up. Or they're following my drop shot up. What the heck? It's a white. No, it's a largie. No, it's a white. Wow. Those big largies will eat these whites too.
Really?
Yeah. Look at that shad. That's what they're eating.
I think we need that big one so we'll take that big fish out.
That's right. Waiting on him. He's not big, but yeah. Little guy. Carolina rig. They're eating that today. I really don't throw this too much here. I had it on from up in Wisconsin. Hasn't caught a big one yet, but it's catching little ones. It could happen for sure. All right, let's cast from right here, same angle. Get an old 3 lure buffet.
Please and taste.
Yeah.
Did you sell your bass cap?
I did.
Yep.
Guy came down from South Dakota and bought it.
Nice.
He came down in the middle of winter and stayed for a week and fished with it too. He says 3 feet of snow up there.
I was gonna say, I've been through South Dakota, but the winter it's rough. There were
He was a farmer up there. Yeah. Summertime fishing. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, be old biggin. Horse him in if he's just coming. Keep that pressure on him. Oh, well, he's not the biggin I thought he was gonna be. I think I'm on this side of you. But he's a good one. Nice. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Boom, another one. Oh, one ate it just like yours. I picked up and it was just heavy. So far out there. It's going up the jump. Oh, see that shad? Shad jumped out. I'll flip him. He didn't look that big. Decent guy though. Oh, jumper. That's crazy. Let it sink all the way down. Lift it up and it was already toting off. It's a spotted bass.
That's a good spot.
Yeah, that's a big spot. All right. Fat spot. Look how fat he is.
There.
My goodness. Oh, somebody steal your worm?
I didn't.
Fat spot. Another one? Gonna flip him. There you go. Largie. He took a jump. Nice one.
right under the boat.
Yeah. Good job. All right, we caught about 8 so far. I'm catching them on a Carolina rig, which you don't see me fishing Guntersville much. Matthew, what are you catching them on? That right there. You guys know all about that. Yeah, get after them. Heck yeah. What have you caught them on so far?
Oh man, I don't want to say, but I'm going to show it. Just it's been good. Just a big old plum, shaky head with a big old striped king, some kind of head here that's just stays on the bottom. They smack it.
That's it.
Smack it.
They are hitting the big worm. You know I like fishing a big worm. These boys are catching them on a big worm. I'm having fun with that Carolina rig though. We're getting a few more bites. Not the size though. The big worm catches the size. Let's get back to them. We're gonna keep running around. We've hit about 10 spots, fished about 4 of them, and just looking for them. Like I said, haven't been on the water in a little while, so we gotta run around and find them. But when you find them, you catch a few.
But what is that called? Bleeding bluegill or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a bluegill.
Nice.
That is, man, that's the end of the knife. It doesn't matter because all the paint's
They just crushed a spook. Wow. Jeez, that's a big walleye. My goodness. That's so cool.
That's some of the.
And I'll share it with you, brother.
Wow.
If you be the number 3, I'll share it.
Thank you. That's so cool. Jeez.
That way you take those twins up there.
Yeah.
Here's said they was an old man.
Now we'll come visit. I don't have to tell them, I'll show them. That's awesome. You checked the kill switch, right?
Yes, sir.
That one will get me every once in a while.
Get you every time.
Yeah.
Running across there and it just started cutting out and it stopped.
Oh man. Yeah, we'll give you a little tow.
And I sure appreciate it.
You got a tow rope?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I need to put one back in my boat. All right, well, we're gonna tow these folks in. Oh, you're all right. That'll work.
Appreciate it so much.
Oh, no problem.
We drove 4 hours just to get the meat fellers like you. So.
That's
Where
right.
y'all from? We're from Cookeville, Tennessee. Oh, okay. Yeah. Don't hold that against us now.
All right. All right, we are towing some folks in here. Motor quit. We got about 15 in the boat. What? The bridge? All right. We got about 15 in the boat. We're gonna get back on them here in a few.
Yes, sir. We
Yeah.
are. That's good.
We caught a couple real big spotted bass, real fat. All right, we got about 20-minute tow here. All right. Whatever you guys want to drag, big worm, rig, you name it. Couple more, we'll move. Had a little pick? Okay, there we go. Yeah.
About took the rod out of my hand.
Did it?
There you go.
There you go. Oh, that's a good one. Dang, look at him go. Ooh, oh, he came off. No. He looked like he was about 4. Shoot, that drag was really loose. I don't know how that happened.
He about took it out of my hand.
Wow. I see him. Glad we got one to eat. The big worm. Yep, that was a good one. Did you get one? Let's go.
I said I wanted to have that gas, bro.
You did.
Oh, yeah. It's a good one.
Oh,
It's a good one.
It's a big fish
It's a
spot.
good one.
Oh,
It's a good one.
got him.
Did I call it or what? Did I say about put one
Look
in
at
my
that.
pocket? Woo!
Look
Thank you,
at
Lord.
that.
Ain't that a dandy?
Dude, he's over 4. He's fat. Look how fat he is. My goodness.
Like me, he's got a
Thank
big
you,
old pot
Lord.
belly on it. He needs some bacon.
Look at that. That is a chunk,
Thank
man.
you, Lord. That's a
The
good.
big worm here, I'll get you a pic.
Oh, I gotta do the thumbs up.
Yeah, hold him up a little high. Yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3. That's a chunk. Good job. Wow.
When you set the hook, your rod didn't move.
I wanted you to have that cast bad. I said, Lord, I hate to take this cast, but I'm going I'm just going to speak a little on faith.
That's beautiful.
I'm not big into the name it, claim it, but I'm big into I know God wants you to have something. Thank you, sweetheart. You're nice.
That's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, you see how fired up that fish was? That's as mean as yours was a minute ago. Wow. Hey, good job, James.
All right.
Give you a fist bump on that one.
Yeah, my man. Thank you.
Good job. He got heavier when you started lifting him off the bottom over here. Good one? All right. Nice. Okay. Hey, nice. First cast on him. There you go. Cool. Cool, cool. You set that hook on him good.
Well, I thought it was 7 pounds.
Yep. All right, we got some clouds rolled in. We're about to get a little lunch. Boys hungry?
Yeah, buddy. Yes.
All right. We're going to Fire by the Lake. Right over here, I'm probably gonna get a little Philly cheesesteak or some wings. And we're having a good day. We caught 17. James got the big one. That's a fatty, man.
It was a fatty.
That was a big one.
Nice one.
Yeah, it was. We're gonna try and beat that here this afternoon.
It's been a great day.
Yes, it has. Let's get some lunch and head back out. Some pretty water clarity.
Dialed it up.
Yeah. Baby.
Say make a couple towards the right.
Yeah, there's anywhere out there. Yeah. First cast at the drop shot. We'll see what's been biting out there. You hit? I'm telling you, look at that. I know there's big ones down there too. We get these fired up, maybe we'll catch a couple. Take the worm.
I thought it was still on there.
All good. Yep. They're yeah, it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter where you cast it. There's another one. Got him. I think I got him. Yeah, digging. No.
A little better.
23. He is a little better. Tore up that one. It's a bunch tearing up this thing.
Get out there, big dog, and hunt.
Mm-hmm. I know there's some big ones down there.
No doubt.
Okay. What you got? Little big one? Don't let him get in that trolling mode. I don't know where you're at. Is that a better one? Okay. Bigger than 10 inches. Oh, it's a cat. Yeah, that's a lot better. Wow.
Oh, kitty cat.
I'm gonna get the pliers on
I'm
there.
gonna hold him so he don't get slime on him.
Perfect, thank you. Let's see. Can't see what I'm doing. You catch many cats on Dale?
A few.
Few.
There's plenty of them in there.
Yeah.
The hook wasn't coming out.
No. Not at all. You want to pick? Not many in there. That's nice. Slimed you up. The new mock jack combo they got coming out is awesome. The spinning combo is so light. It's sweet. I think it's a custom light. There he is. You missed one? About doubled up. Yeah. Yeah. No, I don't need the net, but we got us another. 25 fish. I'm catching a lot right here. Just no size.
They're down there somewhere.
Yeah, they are. Let's go. You gonna need the net on that one? That's a better one. Better than we've been catching. Nice. 2 1/4. He's fat. Look at that little chunk. 2-pounder. He might not even be 15 inches, but he's 2 pounds.
Too, but he's small.
Yeah, he's fat. Nice. Well, you just caught 26. This is 27. That's fun. Hey, they're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. This one really wanted it. Wow. Quit. Quit. Wow. There he is again. It's funny. Never seen so many babies out here deep in my life. That's awesome though. That's the next generation of ledge fish right there. Oh, had him. 28. Okay. Little guy?
It don't feel real big.
All right. Nice. Ain't bad. Yeah, that's bigger than we've caught on the drop shot. Oh, that's a spot. Nice. Good job. That'll work. Nice spot. Is that your first good spot today?
Yeah, I think so.
You got your phone on you? Take a picture of it for you.
Yeah, I'll snap one egg and send it to you. What's that over?
That's bass. Well, I don't know, actually. Oh, that might be the one I deep hooked. Okay. That's those bigger ones, isn't it? Solid. Or you get a little one.
We're swimming right towards the boat, 100 miles an hour. I can't tell.
All right.
Little one.
Nice.
Sorry, James. No, not that. Choked it.
He wanted it, didn't he?
Yeah.
I love that thing.
Had a blast fishing with James and Matthew out deep. We caught them on a jig, big worm, Carolina rig, drop shot. They'd bite in little flurries, and we'd have a lot of dry spells in between, tough in between. But it was fun fishing out there with them. They live up on Dale Hollow Lake, which is where I've been a couple times and where my boat went off the cliff. And I'm gonna have to go up there and fish with them. But such a fun time. I want to share a little something with you real quick. It's about loving people. Do you love people? When people hurt you, do you forgive them and show them love? 1 John 4 says, we love because God first loved us. If people say I love God but hate their brothers or sisters, they are liars. Those who do not love their brothers and sisters whom they have seen cannot love God whom they have never seen. And God gave us this command. Those who love God must also love their brothers and sisters. So encourage you, show love to those around you, especially family, especially those who are fellow brothers and sisters in Christ. Try and show people nothing but love. Sometimes showing people love isn't easy. Sometimes, like when you love a child, you correct them. You show them correction. You know, put them in timeout. And sometimes that's the way God shows love to us, but He wants the best for us. And sometimes love looks like that. But just be kind to people. Be the fruits of the Spirit. Love, peace, patience, joy. All of them. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you. Gonna get out of here. Subscribe for more. We'll catch you on the next episode here at Fishing with Nordby.